the Reflective Mind. This is your host Monica. Today we would be doing Major Arcana card number 20, the Last Judgment. Connotations are judgment, rebirth, inner calling, and forgiveness. Alternate names are the angel, fame, time, and planet sign is Pluto, element is fire, meaning is renewal, chakra, alta major for the past and past lives. Key meaning, assessment, letting go of the past. Judgment depicts the judgment day prophesied by the apostle Paul in his letter to the Thessalonians, when the souls of the men would be awakened by the archangel trumpet call and judged before the God. These figures, the figures are maybe holding up their arms to embrace the movement of resurrection before the judgment. Judgment is a personal wake-up call to consider our past actions. How do we judge ourselves? The archangel who knows the trumpet is a Gabriel, and his wake-up call is a moment of revelation when we can discover the truth of our relationship with ourselves. We may also be awakened to a new relationship with a God, with our spirit guides, or with the angels as one of the three angel cards of the tarot, along with the lovers and temperance. Judgment can also call upon the spiritual services. What happens when this card is shown in upright position? It's time to come to a decision about the past. Great changes and opportunities are on the horizon, but before you can decide on your direction, certain past issues needs to be addressed. This process is purely about how you judge yourself on your past actions and attitudes. In the upright position, judgment shows you will feel you have acted with the integrity and did the best you could as you accept yourself fully. You can blow your own trumpet and praise yourself for your achievement. An additional meaning is being in the public eye, hence fame and the card alternate title. Judgment also predicts a spiritual awakening as you feel called to explore your potential. You have learned much about yourself in the most recent phase and are ready to go further. Developing your spiritual connection with your guides and angels. As you receive guidance on your path, your confidence and wisdom will grow. In the home setting, you may be drawn to an old property or consider returning to a place that holds happy memories. You will soon need to make a major property decision. Relationship love is assessed and the shifts into the new phase. There may be a need for reconciliation if you deem the relationship worthwhile. If you are single, you may revisit an old relationship and decide if it is worth trying again. An old friend may reappear. Career and money, acknowledgement for your success is coming. Finances also improve. Reverse meaning, when reversed, you may be stuck in the past or refuse to learn the lessons that are there for you. You may find yourself in old patterns and not yet able to break free. Delays are also indicated in the term of the future plans, and you may be feeling trapped and unable to progress without really understanding why. You have the ability to judge your actions and attitudes and then move on. The past cannot be changed, only accepted. Have compassion for the person you were then and for the decision you made. You don't have to live with the results of these choices in future. You can decide to be free. Word of wisdom is, look back with the pleasure. And the tools or the props which were present. Archangel symbolizing awakening. The archangel is a Gabriel, but the flag on his trumpet is a flag that is a dragon slaying St. George, patron saint of England, linked with the archangel Michael. Michael's element is fire, the element of this card. Although what we see on this card is water, the element of archangel Gabriel. The archangel therefore may be amalgamation of both Michael and Gabriel. The trumpet, the call of the trumpet tells us it is a time to resuscitate, recirculate the past and make a decision. Herald blew on the trumpet to announce war and also the presence of the royalty and the other dignitaries, explaining the card's alternate title, The Fame. The Dead Rising. The rising dead, resurrection, and the rebirth. The six figures are shown in two groups of the three that reflects the different phases of the past. That they are man, woman, and child, asking us to look at our roles and the relationship naked. They are about to be reborn. The child symbolizes the spirit of new age. The open coffin's transformation is illustrated by the figures rising from the restrictions of their coffins into the new consciousness. The flag of St. George. The flag bears the St. George cross for England. Patron saint, the red and white, symbolizes the unification of opposition. The sea and the glaciers. The water is a symbol of the purification. The past can be forgiven and washed away. The glaciers feel like a paradise in a new world about to be born. This was all about the card, the Judgment. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. See you in the next reading. Bye bye.